Have you ever wondered what the smallest birds in the world are? Well, you're about to find out. Today, we're diving into the captivating universe of our feathered friends, specifically those that are particularly petite. What makes a bird small, you may ask? Well, it's not just about their size, but also their weight and wingspan. These are the creatures that often go unnoticed, flitting in and out of our sight, leaving us in awe of their delicate beauty and resilience. We've curated a list of the top 10 smallest birds from around the globe. Starting with number 10, we'll work our way down to the smallest bird in existence. From the vibrant hues of the olive sparrow to the enchanting song of the fairy wren, each bird on this list is unique and remarkable in its own right. Join us as we take a journey into the world of these tiny, yet fascinating creatures. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the long-tailed tit. This delightful little bird is quite the sight to behold, with its characteristic long tail that often exceeds its body length. The long-tailed tit is a resident of Europe and Asia, where it thrives in woodlands, gardens, and shrublands. These birds are known for their intricate nests, which are oval-shaped and built with moss, spiderwebs, and feathers. The long-tailed tit is not only small in size but also big in personality, often seen in large, noisy groups that communicate with a wide range of vocalizations. Moving along to number 9, let's meet the olive sparrow. This small bird makes its home in the southern parts of Texas and eastern Mexico. It's a bird that truly lives up to its name, with an olive-brown back and a rich grayish-brown chest. The olive sparrow is often found foraging on the ground, where it uses its strong beak to dig for seeds and insects. One of the distinctive features of the olive sparrow is its melodious song, which is a series of sweet musical whistles that can be heard throughout the day. And now, let's flit over to number 8, the fairy wren. This Australian native is known for its strikingly vibrant plumage. Males of the species are particularly eye-catching with their bright blue or purple feathers that stand out against the backdrop of their natural habitat. Despite their small size, fairy wrens are quite territorial and can be very vocal, especially during the breeding season. They're also known for their unique mating rituals, where the male offers a brightly colored petal to the female in a charming display of courtship. These birds may be small, but they certainly pack a punch when it comes to their unique characteristics and behaviors. Their size is no hindrance to their ability to thrive and adapt in their respective habitats. Moving on, let's uncover even smaller birds in our countdown. Coming in at number 7, we have the delightful Cuban tody. This tiny bird, barely larger than your thumb, is a native of Cuba and its neighboring islands. With its vibrant green and pink plumage, the Cuban tody is truly a sight to behold. And it's not just about looks. The Cuban tody is known for its unique nesting habits. Unlike most birds, the tody chisels out a burrow in a muddy bank to build its nest, a feat that takes this petite creature about 20 days to complete. Moving on to number 6, we have the common firecrest. This bird, also known as the kinglet, is one of the smallest birds in Europe. Despite its size, the firecrest is a force to reckon with. This tiny dynamo has a distinctive fiery crown stripe, giving it its name. The firecrest is known for its rapid wing beats and high-pitched calls, making it a lively presence in the forests. At number 5, we have the marsh wren. This little bird hails from North America and is known for its distinctively loud and complex song. The marsh wren, unlike its counterparts, prefers wetland habitats, where it builds intricate dome-shaped nests among the reeds. This bird, despite being small in stature, is big on personality. One of the unique traits of the marsh wren is its ability to remember its neighbors' songs. This helps it avoid unnecessary territorial disputes. Each male marsh wren can have up to 200 different songs in its repertoire, a true testament to its remarkable memory. So there you have it, the 7th, 6th, and 5th smallest birds in the world, each of them unique. Each of them fascinating in their own right. From the vibrant Cuban tody, the fiery common firecrest, to the songful marsh wren, these tiny avians surely pack a punch. But don't go anywhere just yet. Stay tuned as we unveil the smallest birds in the top 4. At number 4, we find the vibrant verdin. This delightful bird is a small, active songbird typically found in the arid regions of the southwestern United States and Mexico. Verdins are distinctive with their yellowish-green body, accentuated by a strikingly red shoulder patch. They are ingenious builders, creating spherical nests that are marvels of natural architecture. Despite their small size, they're known for their bold and curious nature, often seen flitting about, busily foraging or building their intricate nests. Moving on to our number 3 spot, we have the gold crest. This tiny bird, often referred to as the king of the birds in European folklore, holds the title of Europe's smallest bird. Weighing less than a 10-pence coin, the gold crest is incredibly light and small, yet its size doesn't hold it back. Its olive green feathers and striking golden crest make it a sight to behold. These birds are residents of coniferous woodlands and gardens, often seen flitting high in the tree canopies. Their thin, high-pitched calls, a familiar sound to many. At number 2, we meet the pygmy nuthatch, a small bird native to North America. This bird is known for its social behavior, often seen in large, noisy groups. The pygmy nuthatch is a compact bird with a short tail and a long, sharp beak, perfect for its favorite activity, excavating insects from tree bark. Its upper parts are blue-gray, and its underparts buff, creating a beautiful contrast. Despite its small size, the pygmy nuthatch is incredibly resilient, surviving harsh winters by huddling together for warmth in tree cavities. Well, there you have it. We've introduced you to the vibrant verdin, the regal goldcrest, and the social pygmy nuthatch. Each of these birds, though small, is a testament to nature's ingenuity and beauty. We're just one step away from revealing the smallest bird in the world. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. At number 1, we have the hummingbird. This feathered marvel, barely larger than a bee, is the undisputed smallest bird in the world. With its home in the Americas, the hummingbird flutters its wings at an astonishing 80 times per second, hovering in place like a tiny helicopter. Its vibrant colors and remarkable agility make it a sight to behold. The hummingbird, a tiny wonder of nature, truly deserving of the number 1 spot. And there you have it, the top 10 smallest birds in the world. From the swift hummingbird to the vibrant fairy wren, these tiny avian wonders remind us of the diversity and beauty of our natural world. Each one a marvel of evolution, adding a unique melody to the symphony of life. We hope you enjoyed this flight through the world of small birds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite bird from the list in the comments. Until next time, keep your eyes to the skies.